words like think, bathroom, teeth, okay? It's quiet, right? So you put your tongue and you just blow a little bit. It's quiet. So let's try saying these words. So I'm gonna say them and I want you guys to repeat them. Thursday.
Thursday.
Right? Thursday.
Thursday.
Think. Think.
Think.
Third.
Third.
Throw.
Throw.
Thelma.
Thelma.
Without.
Without.
Bathroom.
Bathroom.
Bathroom, right?
Bathroom.
Nothing.
Nothing.
One second. Breathless.
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 Mythology.
Mythology.
Teeth.
Teeth.
Path.
Path.
Method.
Method.
Booth.
Booth.
Wrath.
Wrath.
Again, so all these words have that soft, unvoiced TH sound. Okay? Oops, my bad. All right. So we're going to listen to the following pair of words, and then you're going to repeat them. This is the exercise too. And what I want you to pay attention to is the difference between the two sounds, okay? So on the first column, you'll hear the th sound, which again is a very quiet. On the other column or on the second column, it doesn't exist. So it's more like the letters themselves, okay? So three, and free. Four, and soar. Both and boat. Tour and Thor. Frilled and thrilled, right? You can hear the soft TA. Thin and sin. Pass and path. Fought and thought. Moth, right? Put the tongue between the teeth and you blow. Moth and moss. And then three and free again, but we already said that one. All right. So I'm going to read the sentence to you and you're going to tell me if it's one or two. Okay? Jeffrey saw the path and took it. Jeffrey saw the path and took it. One or two? Two. Thora and Thelma read all about the trees. One or two?
One.
After the rain, his boots were covered with mud. After the rain, his boots were covered with what? One or three? One or two? Two. Boots. All students saw the three men applaud. I'm sorry. All the students saw the 3 men applauded. And
Two.
it's 2. It's 3. Sorry. I don't know why I couldn't read that sentence. The new manager really liked his new team. Team. 1 or 2?
Two. Two.
It's team, not theme. All right. All right, I don't have the words right. Oop, my bad. All right. So the next one is the voiced TH sound. Okay, so it's like those, it's harsher, right? Those, mother, it's like there's an emphasis. Soothe, it's not, it's stronger, right? So place your tongue between your upper and lower teeth, same, right? But don't put it in between your lips, right? The other one is, okay? This one is not between the lips. So it's harsher. So it makes the sound by forcing air through the opening between your teeth and tongue, and vibrate your vocal cords, okay, to make that sound, okay, okay, right, those, mother, all right, one of them is and the other one's so you're moving your lips apart, okay? And that's that sound. That's the voice TH sound, okay? Your teeth are apart. Your lips are apart. Whereas the other one, your lips are closer together, right? Your lips are closed. Then, right? Then. Those. There. Do you guys notice the difference?
There.
Yeah, do you see the difference between the first one and the second one? You can say no.
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 Okay. One of them is soft and you can't really hear it. So when you talk about path, it's not strong. It's very mild. And your lips are closed together. So when you make that sound, it's almost as if your lips are not letting the air pass. Yeah? And do you see in the second one how my lips, it's almost like I'm smiling? Okay? Exactly, right? So it's not necessarily a Z, it's very close to it. Those, path, those, path. So my lips in the softer one and the unvoiced one, my lips are almost closing. In the second one, my lips are almost wide, right? They're open. Right? Thy. You see how my lips are almost smiling? Thy. Although. Mother. Right? Again, they're forced by the next vowel or the next sound to close down, but still. Father. My lips are further away.
Father.
Northern. Weather. Again, where the other ones, it's think. Third. Throw. Nothing. It's soft. It's easy. And then the air you're pushing out is not as strong. Yeah?
Yeah.
So one of them has more air coming out of it. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Loathe. Right? Loathe. Teeth. Smooth.
Move.
Sieve.
Sieve.
Okay, is that making sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So try to see if you can tell see the difference between the following ones. Then and Dan.
Dan and Dan.
So there's no th sound on the second one. Father and fodder.
Father and father.
Either
Either.
and other.
Other.
I think I don't know what that word is. I don't know what that word means, to be honest. Teething and teasing.
Teasing and teasing.
Teasing. Those
Those
and those.
and those.
Notice in all the second one, there's no, like your tongue is not between your teeth. Yeah?
Those. Those.
Breathing and breeding.
Breathing and breathing.
Breathing and breathing.
And breathing.
Clothing, again, there is that tongue between your teeth. And closing. There is no TH.
Clothing
There's
and
no
closing.
sound. Thigh
Thigh
and thigh.
and thigh.
Thy
Thigh.
and die.
Die.
I know it's a little bit harder, but it's just one is soft and one is not. Okay, so again, one is voiced. Remember, voiced and unvoiced. One has a vibration and the other one doesn't. So no vibration, or like the has a vibration. Yeah. So the unvoiced one, no vibration. The voiced one, there is a vibration. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So let me know if it's number 1 or 2. They were breeding like rabbits.
1.
Breeding like rabbits.
2.
2. It's a D sound. They were breeding like rabbits. I enjoy getting other at all.
2.
1.
Either at all. I don't know what that is. It's number 2. Either. When exactly will they come?
1.
1.
Number 1. My neighbor sued me often.
2.
2. My neighbor sued me often. I don't think that essay is wordy. I don't think that essay is wordy.
2.
2.
Wordy. It's number 2.